Hi, I'm Madonna. I'm the Chief Clinician at New Leaf Natural Therapies in Wynnum in Brisbane, Australia. My aim is to develop an online kinesiology course and to present it in such a way that anyone can start at the beginning and work through the modules in their own time. It's not a diploma course or anything like that. If you want to do that, go off and spend your 30, 50 grand somewhere else. This is not what I'm aiming at. My aim is to give you the tools to be able to help yourself, your friends, your family, to get better health, to find solutions to health issues, to structural problems, to emotional problems. So my aim is to create modules in a step-by-step process. They will be named, but you'll be able to jump in and grab anything at any time. But of course then you'll realise you don't have the skills to actually do some of those things, because with kinesiology it's very much a step-by-step process. If you don't know how to stack energy, you can't learn leap. If you don't know how to muscle test accurately, how are you going to know which emotion is going on in someone's body? So once again, it's going to be an online course, step-by-step process. So give us a shout out, sort of join my online kinesiology page on Facebook and let me know that you're interested, and I'll be putting up modules soon. Okay, take care. Bye.